Hello and welcome to my portfolio in website management. In this video, I'll be presenting to you my freelancing website, which I have made before in WordPress. So this is my website, which has, as you can see, tons of information already and content, and the pages that are listed here in the top bar. So starting with the home page, in this page, I have listed a summary of my virtual assistant services, what I do, and why you should hire me or work with me, and also what you should expect of me. And then here also a glimpse or a preview of my portfolio projects, which I'll also be showing to you in the portfolio page. And then um, card that shows buttons where you can click if you want to contact me in and book a free consultation, and also a button where it you will be directed to the services page to check my virtual assistant package and um, also see the list of what of the packages that I market to clients. And then lastly, the footer, which is also a navigation of the pages of my website, the services of I do, and contact details. Also, links where you can go to check the posts that I have made in my website. All the blog posts, and also links to my social media. So the next page is the About page, which discusses what I do and my background as a virtual assistant. And then here, I have also listed my mission, my core values, the skills and tools that I use, and and also um what the flow of my services when you hire or avail of me. And then once again, the card if you want to book a consultation, free consultation. Here in the service page, it shows the detailed information of my services. So here are the services that I do, starting with as an admin support in marketing and growth, in social media or digital presence, in operations and customer support, and all others. And then here, if you hire me, this is the flow or this process of our client to virtual assistant agreement. So first, we will have a discovery call, and then there we will discuss plans, and then the onboarding, and then the actual work and the collaboration that we will be doing. And then here I have listed and the VA package that I will be marketing to clients. So here, starter found starter foundation package, and growth momentum, skills operation partnership. And then here in the last part is FAQs or frequently asked questions where clients can go to and read about to know any concerns or inquiries that they have that uh, that can be answered through the FAQs. And then the portfolio page. Here in this page, it showcases what I all the projects that I have done, or the practice projects and the other work and tasks that I've done. Starting with admin task like file management, email management, calendar management, transcriptions, lead generation. For digital marketing, I can do lead generation, email marketing, Facebook ads, SEO and research, content creation. For other operations like project management, customer relationship management, basic bookkeeping, and customer support. And here are other sample projects I've done, like creating customer relationship management, other practice projects, and so on. And lastly, the contact page. Here, clients can book a free consultation by filling out this form. And when you submit the form, you will be receiving, the client will receive an email of the online meeting link that will be sent to them as well. And then here, contact details, where you can contact me through email or through my phone number. And hours that I'm available, and location where I serve clients. So here, for now, I have listed that I can work remote and serve clients worldwide. But primarily, I would like to emphasize I work with clients specifically in Australia, Europe time, and also US time zone. So the next part, I'll be showing to you the posts that I have made. But before I go to that, I would also like to um, emphasize that my website as media or elements like images. So as you can see, and then buttons. So like um, these are part of the elements, and also the favorite part of my website that I would like to share is this interactive checklist. So it creates an action when you click on the checkbox, and all other elements that are part of my website. So to continue, so these are the posts that are part of my website. So first post is titled Five Tasks You Can Hand Off to a Virtual Assistant This Week. So these are the five tasks uh, that a virtual assistant can do, so that uh, as a business owner, you do not have to do, and it won't be so overwhelming for you as a business owner, uh, and it is better that you should um, hand off work to a virtual assistant instead, so you can focus on growing your business. And then the next one also talks about virtual assistant services, but here, as a business owner, why you should delegate your admin work to a virtual assistant. So here I have listed three signs, as a business owner, why you should give your assign your work to a virtual assistant, uh, and reasons why It causes overwhelmingness and stress to an business owner if you do not assign admin work to other staff. So, yeah. So, this are the content, pages, and the posts of my website. Thank you for watching.